In this video, I will show you exactly how to get whatnot credit and how the referral system works so you can start earning credit easily. First, open the whatnot app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the account where you want to receive the whatnot credit. Now tap on your profile icon. You will see two options here, referral and credits and my rewards. Tap on referral and credits. On this page, you will see a message that says bring a friend and earn up to $200. Whatnot gives you a special referral link that you can share with friends. When your friends signs up using your link and make their first purchase, you will receive matching whatnot credit. There's no limit. The more friends you invite, the more credit you can earn. Here's how it works in simple terms. You invite a friend, your friend makes a purchase, and you earn whatnot credit. That credit is automatically applied to your account and can be used on future purchases. And that's it. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.